Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you exactly how to use Bitly in 2025, and it will be a step-by-step video. Whether you are a marketer, business owner, or just someone who wants to clean up long links, Bitly is a powerful tool that helps you shorten, track, and manage your links easily. So without any further ado, let's get started with this beginner friendly tutorial. So first of all, before you start the full or whole video, you just need to understand what is actually Bitly and why use it. So let's give a brief description. So Bitly is a URL shortening service that allows you to create clean, scalable short links, track link clicks, and use data. Customize your links with branded domains. Analyze performance across platforms. It's great for social media marketing, affiliate links, email campaign, or QR code and more. Bitly also provides analytics that helps you know what's working and where you click are coming from. So I hope you understand this brief thing. So let's create a free Bitly account. So let's get started. You just need to go over here to the bitly.com and then click sign up for free. You can sign up using Google email or GitHub. So here you can see you just need to choose one. So I will go with the free one. So I'll click over here, get it started, and now I will click to the continue with Google options. Once I did, then I will click or select my Gmail address and click to the continue. So once inside, so I just need to be verified it. So I will go to my inbox. I will check my mailbox. Once I check it, I already get this verification code. I will copy this code and I will paste it here. As you can see how easy the process was to creating an account in Bitly. I hope now you can easily do it for yourself. So you just need to be set it up here. Welcome to Bitly. What should we call you? You can call me this one. How will you use Bitly? Shorten, customized QR code, effective landing page, personalized SMS communication. I will choose all of them and then click to the continue. And then what does your company do? I am using Bitly for my personal use. Then click continue and get shorten link, and this way you can start working in here and our account creation is done. Once inside, you will land to Bitly dashboard. Here you can see this is the Bitly dashboard. So the free plan lets you create up to 15 links per month, track analytics for each link, use some basic customizations features. For more advanced needs, Bitly also has paid plans, so you can see their plans if you want to purchase one of them. So it's totally up to you. So now I am going to talk about how to shorten a link. Now let's shorten your first link. So let's say I want to shorten this link. So I will come over here. Then you just need to click the create new button at the top. Here you can see you just need to click this one. Then you just need to choose what actually you want, create QR code or build in a landing page. So I will click over here this one, this left one that calls shorten link. Just click this one and then you just need to provide the destination. Bitly will automatically generate a short URL. So this way you just need to provide this one. You can give a title, it's complete and optional. So now you can see the domain will be this one and custom backup will be optional. So now you just need to click over here, create your link, and it will be created. Before you save it, you can, here you can see your link is ready. You just need to copy this one, and if you want to see the link details, you just need to click these options. You can customize the backlink of a link. For example, Bitly, my product is totally up to you. I already told you. You can add title for easy tracking. You can add tags to organize your links later. Once you are done, you just need to create and your short link is ready. You just need to copy and use anywhere. Like let's say I'm going to paste it here, and it will redirect me to the same mailbox page. As you can see the eventual result. So let's see. Let's wait a bit. Once it complete, I will again start. So here you can see it already been come in that similar page. So you can see that link is working. Now we are going to talk about how to track link analytics. Every Bitly link comes with built-in analytics. To view stats, click on link in your dashboard. Like here, you can see we have this view link details. You just need to click over here, and here you can see the whole interface. So now Will see total clicks, top countries, referring website, device type, desktop or mobile. This data helps you to understand your audience and optimize where and how you can share links. For example, if most clicks come from mobile, make sure your landing page is mobile friendly. And the main thing is you just need to upgrade this one to get access of this plan. So it's totally up to you. So you just need to click over here and upgrade, and you can purchase the premium plan for you. Like the growth one, it's $29 per month. You can pay it annually, you can pay it monthly. It's totally up to you. So now let's back to here, and now talk about the customization and branding links. Like if you want to look more professional, Bitly lets you customize your links. So here I will click to this one, and I will come back to the dashboard again. So here with the free account, you can edit the back half of your URL. Like you just need to click this pen icon and you can edit this back half. It's totally up to you. With a paid plan, you can connect your own domain. For example, link.yourbrain.com. You can use it to create branded short links. Branded links get more trust and more clicks, especially on platforms like LinkedIn, email, and YouTube. So now let's talk about the organizing with folders and tags. If you were managing a lot of links, stay organized with folders, tags, and search bar. This is super useful tip for teams, marketers, or anyone managing multiple campaigns. So let's talk about Bitly mobile or QR code feature. Bitly also has a mobile app, iOS and Android, so you can manage links on the go. You can shorten links from your phone, track analytics, share by apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, and email. Also, every Bitly link generate a QR code instantly. Just click on your link, click QR code on the side panel, download it, and use it on flyers, packing, or menus. Perfect for offline to online marketing. Now let's talk about bonus or integrations and automations. Bitly works with tons of tools like Zapier. Like here, if you click this one, you will see you can add buffer, Hootsuite, MailChimp, Shopify, and more. This means you can automate your link creation, track campaign, and even connect it with your CRMs or newsletter tool. For example, automatically shorten all links in a campaign, usually using Bitly, and track their performance in real time. Let's recap with Bitly. You can shorten long links easily, track who is clicking and where. You can customize your link for branding. It is an essential tool for marketers, creators, and businesses in 2025. If this tutorial helped you, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want a video on Bitly, advanced analytics, or integration. Thanks for watching.